we are looking at how to pronounce correctly the CH sound in German, or should I say sounds, because indeed there are two different ways of pronouncing it, depending on the words that it is used into. So let's have a look into those two different sounds. Those two sounds do not exist in the English language, so they can be quite difficult to pronounce properly for non-native German speakers. The first way of pronouncing it is as this is the sound of CH. In this case, when CH is connected to the letters, the vowels I or E, as in this word here, meaning I, ich. You can visualize the sound of a hissing cat. Is how you want to pronounce that, as in ich, as in ich liebe, meaning I love. Another example would be in the name Friedrich. This is the softer version of the CH sound, again with the vowels I or E. Friedrich. The second way of pronouncing the CH sound is as so it's a much harder sound. This is when CH is connected to the vowels A, O, or U, as in this phrase here, ach so, meaning I see, or in the word Achtung, meaning attention or be careful or watch out, Achtung, or in the word Rachen, meaning throat in German. So an ich sound, softer version, or ch sound, as in ach or Rachen. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words from German that many struggle to pronounce properly. You won't after watching those. Do you know how to pronounce those? You will. In a second. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon to learn more.